what I do all the way through. And so from a beginning point in the homes, there is a connection to the landscape for sure. And what you see out there, and I'll get, a feel or a vision of something that just makes sense on the lot based on the sight lines or what's around us. But then being able to take a project through from the lot through the building and construction and the plans, we do all of that, through the interiors and all of the finishing details, colors, tones, textures, the art on the walls, whether it's another artist or my own or nothing, or a piece of fine art, a sculptural piece or anything, an object, folk art, whatever it may be, to a cushion, to the lighting. You're creating a space that's unique, that you're creating 100%, and that's unusual. And the art is the same way. You're taking something from start to finish to create a feel, and that feel and presence when you're done is this intangible that I don't know if you can get it any other way unless you're controlling all of these parts and building all of these parts as a total. Because I can add things to the structure, I can add things in the furniture, I can give and take, but when you're through the process, you always want to add in each of those steps, so when you get a finished product, it's a little too much, or every attribute or every part has been focused on to the point where it has something versus nothing. And I feel like if you have these 5 components, well, maybe only 2 should really have something of interest, but then don't do it for the other 3 or whatever it may be. And I feel like you get a really interesting project that way.